Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. Today we will continue with the concluding part of the chapter The Praying Hands in English Literature. In the previous video, we saw that a goldsmith named Albrecht Dürer lived in a village near Nuremberg with his wife and 18 children were leading life in a hopeless condition, but his two children, Albrecht and Albert, had a dream to become an artist and they wanted to pursue their dream. They thought of a plan. They tossed a coin and Albrecht won the toss and Albert went to the mines to work for him so that he could complete his studies in the school of Nuremberg. Soon, Albrecht became popular and started earning money. Now, we will begin with the reading. When the young artist returned to his village, the Dürer family held a festive dinner on their lawn to celebrate Albrecht's homecoming. After a long and memorable meal, Albrecht rose from his chair and announced, I owe this popularity to my dearest brother, whose help and support have helped me achieve success and fulfill my dream of becoming an artist. His closing words were, And now, Albert, blessed brother of mine, now it's your turn. Now you can go to Nuremberg to pursue your dream, and I'll take care of you. In this stanza, we see that the Dürer family held a festive dinner to celebrate Albrecht's coming home. After the meal, Albrecht owes his popularity to his dearest brother who helped and supported him to achieve success. He tells Albert that now it's your turn to fulfill your dream of becoming an artist. Now I will take care of you. Next stanza. All heads turned in eager expectation to the far end of the table where Albert sat with tears streaming down his pale face. He shook his lowered head from side to side while he sobbed and repeated over and over, No, no, no. यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि जो उसका भाई है एल्ब्रेक्ट, वो उसको ऑफ़र करता है कि अब तुम स्टडी करने के लिए न्यूरमबर्ग जा सकते हो, लेकिन क्या है कि एल्बर्ट जो है अपना मुंह नीचे करके उसको मना करता है और उसके आँखों में आंसू भरे हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. फाइनली एल्बर्ट रोज and wiped the tears off his cheeks. He glanced down the long table at the faces he loved. Then, holding his hands close to his right cheek, he said softly, No, brother, I cannot go to Nuremberg. It's too late for me. Look, what 4 years in the mines have done to my hands. The bones in every finger have been smashed at least once, and lately I have been suffering from severe pain in my right hand that I cannot even hold a glass, much less make delicate lines on a paper or canvas with a pen or a brush. No, brother, it's too late for me. फिर क्या होता है, एल्बर्ट खड़ा होता है और अपने आंसू पूछता है और सबको देखता है और क्या कहता है कि मेरे भाई, अब मैं इस काबिल नहीं रहा हूँ कि मैं आगे जाके वहाँ पे पढ़ाई कर सकूँ. ऐसा क्यों था? क्योंकि माइंस में काम करते करते उसके सारे हाथ जो हैं बेकार हो गए थे. उसकी सारी बोन्स एक बार टूट चुकी थी और उसके राइट हैंड में इतना दर्द था कि वो एक ग्लास नहीं उठा सकता था, तो वो पेपर्स पे डेलिकेट लाइंस कैसे बना सकता था. इसलिए वो कहता था कि मेरे को अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है, अब मैं आगे जाके पढ़ नहीं सकता हूँ. नेक्स्ट टेंसा. वन डे टू पे होमेज टू एल्बर्ट फॉर ऑल दैट ही हैड सैक्रिफाइस्ड, एल्ब्रेक्ट ड्यूरर drew his brother's abused hands with palms together and thin fingers stretched skyward. He called his powerful drawing simply hands, but the entire world almost immediately opened their hearts to his great masterpiece and renamed his tribute of love the praying hands. एक दिन एल्ब्रेक्ट ने अपने भाई एल्बर्ट के बलिदान को ऑनर देने के लिए हाथों की एक पिक्चर बनाई जिसको उसने क्या नाम दिया, हैंड्स। लेकिन लोगों ने उसके इस पेंटिंग को, इस मास्टरपीस को बहुत प्यार दिया, उसका क्या नाम कर दिया, द प्रेइंग हैंड्स। Next stanza, more than 450 years have passed, but till this day, hundreds of masterful portraits, pen and silver point sketches, watercolors, charcoals, woodcuts, and copper engravings by Albrecht Dürer hang in every great museum in the world. Remember, the next time you see a copy of the touching creation, take a second look. Let it be your reminder, if you still need one, that no one ever makes it alone. दिन क्या है, एल्ब्रेट के बहुत सारे पोर्ट्रेट्स हैं, बहुत सारी जो हैं म्यूज़ियम्स में लगे हुए हैं। और ये स्टोरी हमें ये दिखाती है कि हम अगर कभी भी सक्सेसफुल होते हैं, कामयाब होते हैं, इसमें हमारा अकेले का हाथ नहीं होता है, कोई ना कोई हमारे लिए कुछ सेक्रीफाइस करता है, तभी हम जो है कहीं सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं। अपने भाई के इस बलिदान को उसने कैसे पोर्ट्रेट किया, एक पिक्चर बना करके उनके हैंड्स की, उन्हें जो है ऑनर दिया। Okay students, hope you all enjoyed the story, and now you have to go through it, and if you face any difficulty, you're free to ask me. Okay, bye bye children.